Okay, so I have told you the program statement already, problem statement, that write a Python program to merge two dictionaries. Means whatever the values will be present inside the dictionaries, you need to merge that. So first create two dictionaries there and then write some code to merge this particular two dictionaries. Okay, so raise your hand when you are done with it, and so I can start checking of one by one.
So you are still with the merging issue, right? Or something else?
I am telling you the last one, that write a Python program to merge two dictionaries.
Okay, 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 sir.
Okay, so I can see that two participants have raised their already completed the program and raised their hand. Just we will wait for 2 to 3 minutes for rest of the participant, and then we are going to start checking one by one. So Nishu, Pallavi, and Shubham, is there any problem? Can you tell me what? Okay, Shubham, you can continue. Pallavi and Nishu, people can also continue. Till that time, I'm going to check one by one. So starting with Afrin, as Afrin raised her hand first. So Afrin, show me the code and output. Okay, not this one. It is, I think, the previous one. Okay. So there are two dictionaries having different values of A, B, C, and D. Fine. Okay. So dict1 dot update on dict2. Okay, let me show you, check the output first. Okay, A yellow, B blue, C red, D purple. Okay, okay, fine. I'm going to tell you the later part. Okay, okay, it is fine. ठीक है, thank you, Afrin.
So we can do it with other types also. Like this is the simplest one.
There are other ways also.
There are a lot ways.
Okay, we will going to discuss that what is the another way we can do it. No issue. It is okay. It is there is no issue in that. Okay, so let us move for Dolly. Okay, fine. Okay, good. Next for Nishu, Afrin, and Shubham. When you are done with the code, raise your hand. Nishu, Afrin, Shubham, what is the problem?
Sir, I have already shown.
Uh, Nishu, Pallavi, and Shubham actually.
I have completed, sir.
Okay, Pallavi, you can show me the code. Okay. Okay, no need to. I think this copy and update is not needed here actually. Copying Dict 3, copying the Dict 1 into Dict 3, is it necessary, Pallavi? Because we have already the value of Dict 1. So if we are copying when that we need to store it somewhere else and we need to changes in that particular value. But we don't need to do anything like that here. So I don't think that
Yes,
Dict
sir.
equal to Dict 1 dot
We can
copy.
directly update it
Okay, so that's why the
in this
line
domain.
C is not needed actually,
Yes, sir.
because it is actually taking some extra line of codes and extra memories also. So I think it is not desirable. Otherwise, it is okay. Next, what about Nishu and Shubham?
सर एक्चुअली आउटपुट में नन आ रहा है
कोड शो
कैन आई सो
करो,
द
Same here, sir.
कोड शो करो फिर देखते हैं. Okay, there are okay games. Uh, D1, D2. In D2, you have take in C. There are three values. In C, here are three values. First, don't make it so complex. Just put one value in C. If one thing is happening correctly, then the other things can also. Just put any normal value. Okay, fine. Now run the code. Let me check. None. Right. Okay. Now write something. Close the output window. Write. Delete that D1 update and all the things. From D1 equal to the last two lines, just delete it. The last two lines deleted. Okay, fine. Now write print first bracket, then in the first bracket also second bracket. Now in the second bracket double star D1 comma double star D2. Now run this particular section and check what will be the output. Okay, so it have done. So this is the simplest way to merge two things, actually merge two dictionaries. Means when you are actually updating that. Okay, now coming to the part that you people are using that updating one. Okay, so now the thing is that when you are actually using that update, or means to copy all of the things, I think don't no need to do this type of particular things, because update means we want to do some update on that particular, means copying and update. So we actually don't need, we are just only, we only want to merge the two dictionary. So this is the simplest way to merge two dictionaries. Copying and update, it will means, suppose you have write D1 and D2 and you are doing that D2 equal to update that D1. So we are making some changes on the D1. So we don't need to do that. We just need to merge this particular. So that's why we just need to use this simple statement, that double star D1 comma double star D2. So it will give you the proper result. Okay.
Sir, by this also I'm not getting.
So
Sorry, Shubham, I'm
It's
not
not
getting.
merging, sir. It's not merging. It's giving the first dictionary only.
In Shubham's case, you were saying, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Nishu, you can stop your code. Let me check the Shubham's
so
code.
sir,
Yes,
actually, what is the meaning of double star in this code? Means
double star
how?
means, actually we are using, means it is an operator. The double star operator for concatenating this particular two dictionaries.
Okay, so
Let me check Shubham's code. Shubham, show your code here.
I got, sir. I got it. Actually, it is replacing the same. I have taken the same.
Yes, if you are taking the same values, then you are going to get
It's
only
just
one value.
replacing.
Okay, only the first dictionary value you are getting.
Now it's.
If we are taking same values, then you are going to get the first dictionary values. Okay. Okay, so here all the things have been done. Now let us move for the next problem. The last problem for today's class is that it is a little bit tricky problem. You need to think something for solving this particular problem. That is that write a Python program to remove all duplicate words. Write a Python program to remove all duplicate words in a sentence. Write a Python program to remove all duplicate words in a sentence. So let me tell you what this problem is saying actually. Write a Python program to remove all duplicate words in a sentence. Suppose in a program you have write something, just a minute. Suppose in a program you have write a line where a word, or a word is repeating itself maybe twice, thrice. Okay, but we need that particular word for a single time. Suppose I am giving an example. Ronaldinho is a good player A in a football. So here the term A is repeated many times. The term A or the word A or the letter A, whatever you can say, this is actually repeated many times. So we don't need this particular. We only need a single, only the first time when it is actually getting. Okay. So here the problem is we need to remove the duplicate words from the sentence. We need to remove the duplicate words from the sentence. This is our problem statement. So write a Python program to remove all duplicate words in a line of in a particular sentence. So it will take some
Can I
time.
ask a question?
Yes, you can ask.
Like for example, sir, if we have given the value as a sentence to some key, then we have to bring out then how many words are similar. Was this your question? Like I didn't get.
We don't need to put any keys particularly. Okay, we need to suppose there is a. Okay, a is my a string, and in that particular a variable we have mentioned the sentence, right? Suppose
Mhm.
a variable a, and the variable a is holding some string, and in that particular
Mhm.
string the sentence is written something whatever. Okay, and now here in the sentence maybe there are two or three duplicate words or same words is repeated twice or thrice. We need to remove the duplicate words. Suppose if uh, cricket, if cricket is mentioned in the sentence three times, we need to replace the last two cricket. Only the first cricket, that particular cricket will be there, last two will not be there. We need to replace that last two, or we need to delete that last two.
So this was actually my question, that whether we have to remove that word from every key, like suppose three
No,
keys
only
are
only
having cricket
only
word.
one time, only first time when we are actually getting. The first time when we are getting, it should be there, because if
Oh,
it is not present, then how we can understand that what is
matlab
the
only
other.
from a single key value.
Yes, the first time it will be there, other, and the later part, no, it will not be there.
Okay, okay, sir.
It should be done in dictionaries, or simply we take a string and then
You
we
can
can.
simply take a string. No need to put it in a dictionary.
Yeah.
So it will take some time, I know. So that's why don't need to rush. Just take your time and finish it. Okay, I am giving you 5-10 minutes window to solve this particular problem, because you need to think something to work on it, how to remove that particular duplicate words. Okay, so when you are finished, do raise your hand. So Pallavi, have you finished with the code already?
No, sir.
So
It is for that time, earlier question.
okay, no issue. Okay, so when you are done with the code, do raise your hand so that I can understand.
So one more question.
Yes.
So sir, if we are having two similar words, so we have to remove that completely, or we can print it once.
You don't need to remove completely, because if you are removing completely, then how we can understand what is the word? So for that particular purpose, we need to keep it only the first time. So suppose cricket is present 3 times. So the first time we are getting the cricket, it should be there, and the later two crickets should not be there. So tell me when you are done with the code. uh, I'm waiting to check, and if any hints is needed, any query is there, so tell me so that I can sort it out. So any doubts, anything, or if you people want me to do it, then you people can tell me. I can also show you, but I will appreciate that if you people doing it from your side. Just I'm giving you some hints. You can use the idea of splitting the sentence. You can use the idea of splitting the sentence, or also some taking the values.
Splitting is the thing which we have to do, but I think some more thing we do require to
You
use.
can you can try it. I am just giving some suggestion or hints. So what? How far you people have done it?
So can we take another approach, like the user will give the value which is twice or thrice, and then it will replace the value?
Try it, na? No issue. just try it,
Like,
whatever the approach you are
mhm.
getting, you can try, and then we can see that what will be the result or outcome. Okay. Uh,
Can we do as a list, sir? As the,
okay, you can try. Okay, do one thing.
so
As
I've
an
done, sir.
okay, Shubham, I just let me do one thing, as it is something to think, this program. Okay, so it is not so easy. So you have done it, that is appreciated. And but I am not going to check the code today, because let me give some more time to you people to think on that. So it is your home assignment, you can prefer. This task is for your home. I want all of you to sort it out, to solve it out on your own thing or on your own idea. So we are going to check this particular problem in our next classes, in our next programming classes actually. So it will be your home assignment. It will be your home assignment to solve it out. Okay, so this is one home assignment you people need to perform in your home. Beside that, there will be two more program. There will be two more program that you people need to perform. Just write down the programs. I am just saying, just write down the programs. Okay, wait a minute. I am just going to tell you the programs. Okay. The for another program that you people need to solve it out here, that is I'm going to show you that a pattern problem actually. Okay. What was this? Okay. Okay. Just the second one, the number one, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the pattern you people need to solve in your home. You people need to write a code for this particular problem. You people need to solve this particular problem. Okay. This is one problem. This is already a problem related to that removing of duplicate words. And another problem I am going to tell you people, just wait a minute. Okay. And another problem that you people need to sort it out is that, just wait a minute. Okay, and another problem that you people need to solve, that is also another pattern problem, the last star one. So this the particular you people need to solve it out. So these three problems, first one is the duplicate word, second one is the 1 2 3 4 pattern, and third one is the star pattern. This particular three problems you people need to sort it out in your home. Actually, I am going to upload an assignment section in the LMS portal. You people need to submit your answer there. Okay, so any doubt regarding this? If any doubts,
So up submit
huh?
to when we have to submit, like last date for submission.
Before the next practical class, or
Okay, okay, sir.
you people need to be ready with the code before the next practical class. I can give a assignment option in the LMS portal, or also I can check it in class also. Okay, so whatever the option will be, but be prepared
Okay,
before
sir.
the last practical class, next practical class start with it. Okay, fine. So I think after a long time we are
Okay.
having a practical classes scheduled today, and I think this is an interactive session, and you people have understand as you people are doing it on your own side. So it will help you people to grow your coding skill also. Fine. So this is actually a best way to use this online platform, as it is possible in CSE platform, not in other platform in other department. So we are going to use it as much as possible, and here we are going to end our today's class. So this is for all today. Thank you all for joining into the session, and if anyone have any doubts or anything wants to say, they can, and also write your names in the chat box for the attendance purpose. Golden, your attendance will not be marked as you have connect right now. So if you are writing your name, I am not going to mark your attendance. Rest you people, the 5 participants who are present from the beginning of the class, just write down your names in the chat box so I can mark your attendance. Write down your names in the attendance chat box for the attendance. Shubham, Afrin, Dolly, Nishu, Pallavi. Golden, I have already said your attendance will not be marked. Okay, so all of you have write down your names in the chat box, so that is fine and good, well and good. Okay, so okay, the 3 hour actually not the 3 back-to-back practical sessions we are having today, and that is a hectic day already. So thank you all for joining into the session, and take care and stay safe in your home. And I think all of you have take your vaccines. So if you are not, do take your vaccine. uh, Schedule your appointment nearest center and take the vaccine, so that it can be beneficial to you and also your family. Okay, so thank you all for joining into the session. Take care.